You grab the bar. 1 rep, 2 reps. By the 5th, your arms are already shaking. Now, imagine you pull yourself up again and again until you hit 100 reps in one single set. Sounds impossible, right? It's not. Because in this video, you'll learn exactly how to train your body and your mind to reach that insane milestone. No magic tricks, no shortcuts, just strategy, progression, and consistency. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build pull-up endurance the right way, even if you can't do 10 yet. The exact step-by-step progression plan used by elite athletes. The mindset tricks that help you push past failure. And the common mistakes that stop most people at rep 15. If you've ever dreamed of doing 100 pull-ups in one go, stay with me. This is your blueprint. Let's start with this. Doing 100 pull-ups in one set isn't just about brute strength. It's a test of endurance, technique, and mental toughness. Think of it like running a marathon, but for your upper body. You need 3 things. 1. Muscular endurance. Your lats, biceps, and grip need to handle volume. 2. Efficiency. Perfect form that conserves energy. 3. Recovery. Because the real growth happens between sessions. So before you chase 100, you need to rebuild your foundation. Let's break it down, phase by phase. This program works whether you can do 5 pull-ups or 50. Goal: build pulling strength and grip endurance. If you can't do 10 pull-ups yet, start here. 3 to 4 sessions per week. Each session, 5 sets of pull-ups, going close to failure, but never to total failure. Rest, 90 seconds between sets. If you can't do full pull-ups, use assisted pull-ups or negative reps. Add these support exercises. Dead hangs, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds to build grip strength. Australian rolls, 4 sets of 10 to 15 to build horizontal pulling strength. Bicep curls and lat pull downs, optional, but great for volume. This is where most people quit, because they don't see results fast. But strength doesn't grow in a day. Stay consistent. Your numbers will climb. Goal: build pulling strength and grip endurance. Now that your base is solid, we ramp it up. Do grease the groove training. Spread pull-ups throughout the day. Example: if your max is 10, do 5 reps several times daily. Keep each mini set easy. The goal is frequency, not fatigue. Over time, this builds crazy endurance without overtraining. You'll also start doing ladder sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rest. Then repeat. Total daily volume target: 50 to 80 pull-ups per day. This phase is about teaching your body to recover fast and handle volume. Push toward high rep sets and fatigue resistance. Now we combine strength plus endurance. Each workout: set 1, max reps, recorded. Sets 2 through 5, 60% of your max. Rest 60 to 90 seconds. Example: if your max is 30, do 30, then 18, 18, 18, 18. Every week, add +1 or +2 reps to your max. By week 12, you'll be touching 60 to 70 reps per set. You'll also include weighted pull-ups, 3 sets of 5, once a week. This builds strength reserve, so your body feels lighter during bodyweight sets. You'll notice your grip feels unbreakable. Your pull-ups will feel lighter, and your confidence sky high. Now goal: 1 continuous set of 100 pull-ups. Here's how you'll attack it. Method 1, cluster technique. You'll break 100 into micro clusters, say sets of 10 with 3-second pauses on the bar. No dropping down, just mini pauses for grip and breath. It's not cheating, it's energy management. Method 2, descending ladder. Start with your max, say 20, then rest 10 seconds, then 19, then 18. Keep going until you hit 100 total. Each week, reduce rest time. Eventually, you'll reach near continuous reps. When you finally hit 100 in one go, you'll understand it was never about muscles alone. It's discipline, it's patience, it's the fight against your own limits. You can't out-train poor recovery. Here's what most forget. Sleep, at least 7 to 8 hours. Pull-ups hit small stabilizer muscles. They need recovery. Protein, 1.6 to 2 grams per kg of body weight. Hydration. Dehydration kills grip endurance. And don't skip mobility work. Shoulder circles, band stretches, scapular pulls. Healthy joints mean more reps, less pain. Now let's talk about the mental game. Because at rep 40, your body wants to quit. At rep 70, your brain screams enough. Here's how you push through. 1. Chunking. Don't think of 100. Think just 10 more. Do that 10 times. 2. Breathing rhythm. Inhale on the hang, exhale at the top. Keeps your mind calm. 3. Visualization. Picture yourself finishing 100 reps every day. The mind trains before the body does. And track everything. Nothing motivates like seeing your numbers climb week by week. Every rep is proof that you're getting stronger, not just physically, but mentally. Now, let's make sure you don't sabotage your own progress. Mistake 1, overtraining. Doing pull-ups every day to failure destroys your recovery. Train smart, not desperate. Mistake 2, neglecting form. Half reps, swinging legs, or jerking your neck, they don't count. Strict form builds real strength. Mistake 3, neglecting grip work. Your pull-up endurance dies when your forearms give out. Train grip separately. Towel hangs, fat grips, farmer carries. Mistake 4, poor shoulder mobility. Tight shoulders mean pain and plateaus. Warm up before every session, always. Mistake 5, chasing 100 too soon. You can't brute force your way there. Respect the process. Every rep prepares you for the next. Here's the truth. Most people never even try something like this. They settle for average. But you're chasing something few ever touch. 100 pull-ups in one set. That's not just a number, it's a mindset. Every time you grab that bar, remember, it's not you against gravity. It's you against the old you. And when you finally reach 100, you'll understand the lesson isn't about pull-ups. It's about discipline, patience, and belief. So are you ready? Grab the bar. Start your first rep, because your 100 starts right now. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like. It really helps the channel. Comment below, how many pull-ups can you do right now? Let's build this journey together. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness breakdowns designed to help you push your limits and transform your mindset.